Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Shivank Mitra, and in my channel, I will be posting videos about stuff that I'm interested in. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to type faster using the touch typing method. Now, the touch typing method basically involves you typing with all of the fingers, which due to which you can type faster. I'll give you some of the key benefits. One of the benefits is if you type with all of the fingers, you will avoid the an injury named repetitive stress injury. Yeah, you will avoid that because currently people are starting to type and are getting introduced to this new technology at a younger age. So in a few decades, the repetitive stress injury grows on the fingers. So it's better to avoid that. Now the second benefit is that you can type much faster because you are not looking down. And when you're looking down at the keys and typing, that time first you type it, then you look whether you have typed it or not. And if you have an error, you again have to look and press backspace, stuff like that. So rather, using the touch typing method, you will type faster and more efficiently. Now, you may not get a lot of results in the beginning, but you will get results eventually. Now I'm at a now if you want to learn typing without looking down at the keys, which is called a touch typing method, you have to go to one website which is named ratatype.com. Ratatype.com has a lot of tutorials on the keys. First, if you go to the learn tab, ratatype.com, I'll put the link down in the description. They have the correct sitting posture for typing. I try to abide by this sitting posture. Then they have the home row position. Now, if you notice carefully, there are bumps on the F and J keys on the keyboard. Those are present so that we can um, place our fingers like this, like in the picture depicted, like depicted in the picture. You can just simply place your fingers like this, and yeah, and now there's a key mapping. So on which finger, where does it type? So for example, this right hand ring finger, it will type the keys 9, O, L, and full stop. For example, usually the index fingers type more, and the pinkies, um, the right pinky controls the special characters, the pressing of special characters, and the other pinky controls the move of the page, like tab, caps lock, shift, and all that. Now you usually press the space button with the thumb. You can read this. You can go to this web page and check out all these tutorials. Now, yeah, one important thing that you have to remember is to not look at the fingers when you're typing, because you really want to improve at it, don't you? And for me, it took a couple of months, but I kept trying without looking. And yeah, my fingers got this automatic motion due to which I was able to type much, much faster. I would suggest you do that as well. Now, when you're just starting to type, don't try to type faster. Type with a higher accuracy because you're just getting started to typing. So type with a higher accuracy, and then you must try to type faster. Now RataType also has courses over here. So if you go to like okay, ratatype.com. Oh no. Must be here somewhere. So basically, when you're new to this website, you have to select one course. I selected the QWERTY, the QWERTY course. Um, that is one of the most widely used keyboard letter positioning in the world. On most computers, it is present. So you can maybe see it on the top, on where the letters are present on the top row of the QWERTY is written, kind of sort of. So you have to press on that course button and then you have to start. I finished the course and it is a very amazing course. They also go through the special characters, which in many websites when they teach touch typing do not go through. Now you can also go to typing test and you can take a typing test. And one of the best parts about this typing test is that it has different, not only just lowercase characters but also higher case and special characters and numbers like here. So yeah, pretty amazing website. You can check it out. And the next website I want to show you is keyboard.com. Now, keyboard.com has a tutorial. Now if I go over, where should I go? About. You should also read the about page. I will give the link below. It has a teaching method. It is an algorithm that generates a list of random words based on your typing skills. It checks your typing skills on which letters you're weak. So it gives um, the words to practice based on those letters on which you are weak. And then it collects those metrics so that it can give better words for you to practice. I'll show you a sample practice session over here. So it is showing my typing speed was 63.8 WPM. WPM means words per minute. The average WPM in the world is 40 WPM or 41 WPM. And my average WPM on a specific website is 66. My highest ever was 73 WPM with 100% accuracy. But that's not what we are here to talk about. But yeah, you can practice on keyboard.com after you have finished the course on data type. And then you can go to the settings and you can enable capital letters or enable punctuation letters or both. And you can also provide your own custom text. That's also pretty cool. So yeah, you should practice on keyboard.com. I have practiced on it. The next website you should be practicing on is 10 fast fingers. After you have finished on keyboard.com, like all the letters and practice, if all the letters on the stop bar are green, after you have done that, you can go to 10fastfingers.com, which has typing tests like this, and it also provides you with metrics like the number of words you have typed on the website. I have typed about 13,000 words, and then yeah, you can select any language you want, and then it shows what your average WPM is, your lowest and your highest. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll show you sample typing test on 10 fast fingers. May not perform so good because um, I haven't practiced in a while, like maybe 2 days. See how fast I type without looking down on the keys. Try to not look down on the keys because yeah, you'll improve basically. Oh boy, that's too low. That's way too low. But basically I type at about 65 words a minute, sometimes about 70 words a minute. You should also get some finger exercises done. I will post a link down in the description where some finger exercises are given to help you type faster and also basically for your fingers. And yeah, it's pretty cool. This website and all the websites I showed you. And I hope you start to implement principles of touch typing method to avoid injuries and stop wasting more time and become more productive. And if you like this video, do consider smashing the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to my channel. And turning on the post notifications bell so that you don't miss any further videos. Now, be back for the next video because it's gonna be cool.